If you are looking for an easy way to create videos using AI, you have probably come across Vheer AI. But is it actually worth using, and can it compete with tools like Pictory or Runway? In this video, I'll break down what Vheer AI is, its key features, pros and cons, and whether it's the best AI video generator right now. What is Vheer AI? Vheer AI is an AI-powered video generation tool that lets you create videos from text, scripts, or prompts. And instead of editing everything manually, you just input your idea and the AI generates visuals, scenes, and sometimes even voiceovers for you. It's mainly designed for YouTube content, social media videos, and marketing clips. Key features: text to video generation. You can turn a script into a full video in minutes. Just paste your text and Vheer creates scenes automatically. AI voiceovers. It includes built-in AI voices, so you do not need to record your own audio. Pre-made templates. You get templates for different types of content like ads, tutorials, and short-form videos. Stock media library. Vheer pulls images and clips automatically, saving you time searching for footage. Number 5, simple editor. You can still edit scenes, change clips, adjust text, and customize your video after it's generated. Pros: very beginner friendly, saves a lot of time compared to manual editing, no advanced editing skills required, good for faceless YouTube channels, all in one tool, script, video, voice. Cons: of course, as all we know, nothing is perfect, and everything has its pros and cons. So when talking about the cons of this software or this AI, it has limited customization compared to professional editors. AI visuals can feel generic sometimes. Voiceovers may sound robotic depending on the voice, and it is not ideal for highly creative or cinematic videos. Who should use Vheer AI? Vheer AI is best for beginners in video creation, faceless YouTube channel owners, content creators who want speed over perfection, marketers creating quick ads or social media clips. If you are a professional video editor, this might feel too limited. Vheer AI versus other tools. Compared to tools like Pictory, more polished but slightly harder to use; Runway, more advanced and creative but not beginner friendly; Synthesia, better for AI avatars. Vheer AI stands out for simplicity and speed, but not for advanced control. Final verdict. So is Vheer AI the best AI tool or video generator? Yes, if you want something simple, fast, and beginner friendly. No, if you need high-end, professional level video production. Overall, it's a solid tool for quick content creation, especially for YouTube automation and social media. If you found this video helpful, please support us to like and subscribe to this video, and let me know down below in the comments what AI video tool I should review in the next video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.